A meeting chaired by President Nursultan Nazarbayev and devoted to the reconstruction of the town of Zhanaozen in the Mangostar region has taken place in the Akorda residence in Astana. The president emphasized that the situation in the town has stabilized, and all controlling agencies were operating in a normal manner. A special government commission headed by the first Deputy Prime Minister, Umarzak Shukiev, already visited the region, met with people, and thoroughly reviewed the situation on the spot. The government adopted a special plan of measures to eliminate the aftermaths of the riots in Zhanaozen and to restore the city. The government allocated funds totaling over 3 billion tenge for this purpose. While at the meeting devoted to the implementation of orders that the head of the state gave at the previous Security Council meeting, the first Deputy Kazakh Prime Minister, Umarzak Shukiev, reported on the activities of the Special Committee for the operational solution of socio-economic and humanitarian issues. Kazakh Prosecutor General Ashat Dalbayev informed the President of the investigation into the establishment of people responsible for the organization of the unrest in Zhanaozen. Following the meeting, Nursultan Nazarbayev gave a number of tangible assignments.